What is the purpose of the highlighted text? The passage talks about different ways of pursuing the American dream, and one of those ways which talks about innovation is referred to in the highlighted text. The highlighted text says that the European immigrants dominated organized crime because crime was one of the few options available for advancement for them to reach the American dream. And the passage concludes by saying that it was an attempt to join in. That means it was an attempt to join the legitimate society. So the purpose of the highlighted text is to give reasons for the European immigrants to engage in organized crime and suggest that their objective was to join in the society. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, it illustrates that European immigrants to America were not skilled. Yes, the passage mentions that these immigrants were the poorest and the least skilled, but to make this suggestion is not the purpose of the highlighted text. The purpose of the highlighted text is to offer justification for the European immigrants to dominate organized crime and suggest that it was an attempt to join the society. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to explain how poverty initiates crime. The passage talks about the immigrants being poor and the immigrants dominating organized crime, but the passage doesn't establish any cause-effect relationship between poverty and crime. So it cannot be established that the highlighted text explains how poverty initiates crime. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, it suggests that criminal activity by immigrants was a means to assimilate into society. Yes, this is what the highlighted text implies because it says that the European immigrants dominated organized crime only because crime was one of the few options available to them and they wanted to join the legitimate society and their crime was an attempt to join in. So it can be inferred that criminal activity by these immigrants was a means to assimilate into society, as this answer choice says. So let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, it indicates that pursuing the American dream requires unlawful activities. The highlighted text refers to the aspect of innovation in which the European immigrants dominated organized crime in order to pursue the American dream. However, the highlighted text doesn't talk about unlawful activities as a necessity for the American dream. This is too extreme an answer choice. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, it concludes that European immigrants were at a disadvantage as compared to other immigrants. The passage refers to European immigrants being poor and the least skilled of immigrants, but that is not the conclusion of the highlighted text. The conclusion of the highlighted text is that the activities of crime was an attempt to join the society. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer choice.